Today's project is actually very simple. It's an annoying problem. Good morning, everyone. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but the fan in the refrigerator, this is a GE refrigerator. I've had this problem before in another job where also Hotpoint and GE products, they have this problem with the fan inside the freezer. Now, I'm going to grab the camera so you can actually hear this noise. It is very annoying. So let me bring that camera over. Here this is a GE. Can y'all hear it? It is loud. So the fan is actually behind here. It's real simple. I have to remove everything out of there, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So stand by and watch me do. Okay, everybody, welcome back. Okay, I emptied out the refrigerator. That only took a minute or two. Now, we're going to start off by removing this rack. Now, those who don't know how to remove this rack, sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. But it's very simple. I got one hand only, but you push it to the side, push it in toward the left, and it comes right up. And that's how simple it is. Next, it has these screws, hex. I believe they're 5/16. There's one there, there's one there. There's another one there and another one there. But before, you have to remove this. This is very simple to remove. This just snaps on. As you can see what I did there, it just snapped right off. Here's the fan right here. This is the perpetrator. This guy here is doing all the noise. Okay, everyone. I'm going to turn the refrigerator on just to double check to make sure that is making the noise. Oh, wow. It's definitely making a lot of noise. You pretty clearly can hear it. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that that was it. That's why I turned it back on. Okay, I'm going to start taking it apart. I put the camera in here, so I'm kind of going to work with it in here. So just bear with me. I'm going to try to do the best I can. Here's the first screw. It's actually 1/4 of an inch. These tools come in handy. They're actually, 5-in-1, 6-in-1, some of them are even 10-in-1. But this handy tool does everything. I'm probably going to fast forward real quick. Okay, so that way you don't have to go through this whole entire nonsense. There's the wires, the disconnects. This one is for the ice maker, and this one is for the fan. I already pushed this one through. This is the ice maker, so I guess I'll disconnect this. One hand, it came off. And I already took the ground off. Okay, it makes it so much easier to work outside. I'll pull it out. And I'll put it on the counter, and so much easier to work. Okay, and this is the actual new piece. I'm just going to remove these two screws, and the fan should be right in my hand. There you go. Now, These fans are easy to pull. Just grab them without breaking them because you have to put them back in. Oh, there you go. It pulls out easy. There are 2 screws in here. That is actually to open this to remove the rubber washer. It's also like a rubber guide, and a balancer to keep this fan in balance. Now, once I remove these 2 screws, it's easier to change. It comes right out. Gonna put it back in the same exact way. Make sure we put that back. Everything goes back. Alrighty then. As my friend would say. Nice. And we're going to go ahead and put it right back. Here's the fan. Fan just snaps back in. Be very careful you don't put it too far in. Alright. A little hard, but it's in. Okay, I went ahead and connected it and put the ground wire on. I'm going to go ahead and lift it up. I got to put the camera down. So, bear with me for a little bit, people. I also have to plug this in. There it is down here. I push that back in. Okay, there's nothing else in the way. The tube for the ice maker, which we don't have none. Oh, that fit like a glove. Look at that. Now, should I try it before I plug it up? Before I close it all in? Let me try it real quick. Just for kicks and giggles. Oh, that's quiet. Look at that. Okay. All right. Now I can go ahead and put all the screws in and put the cover back on. And that is it, people. Give me a second to put this back in. Okay. I put the rack back in. I put the cover. I tightened up the 4 screws all the way around. That was simple. Very, very easy, guys. Anybody can do this. Let's turn it on and let's see what happens. Okay. There you go. Nice and quiet. I have it on 3. We're going to put it on 4. All right. There you have it. How to change a fan motor in the freezer and a GE refrigerator. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, share. I know a lot of people have a lot of problems with these fans, so don't be afraid to share this video. It's very helpful. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. Good luck. Okay, there you go, folks. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I have several. And I'll see you on my next project. Who knows what it is? Mike Reyes.